This is Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're gonna make a little bit more of a virtuous cocktail, the Wedge Avocado. Don't forget guys, click like, subscribe. So let's get into it. A little bit more of a virtuous cocktail. And we're gonna have some avocados in this one. We're gonna be making 2 drinks. Each drink requires 1/8 of an avocado. So we're gonna slice that. That is a good avocado. So, take a quarter, and we're gonna put that straight into our blender. Next, we're gonna add 10 mils per drink of Aloe Vera juice. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 really messy bar spoons. If you use a bar spoon, they're usually 5 mil, or I could just quite easily have measured 20 mil in my jigger, but I was being cocky, guys, because I'm kind of like that. Next up, we're gonna use some freshly squeezed lemon juice. We want 10 mil per drink. So we're gonna put that in, like so. Next, we want some freshly juiced cucumber juice. And we want 50 mils of this per drink. Beautiful. And last but by no means least, the hero of this drink, good old Absolut Vodka. And we're gonna put 35 mils per drink. So there's 25, 50, 70 for both drinks all together there. We need to sweeten it a little bit, but as we want this to be a little bit more virtuous and lower in carb, we will not use any sugar. We're gonna use a little bit of stevia, and you want 1 gram per drink. Yep. And now, we're gonna give it a blend with no ice. This is just to blend everything together. Because we want to shake this, we don't want this to be a blended slushy type drink. We want this to be super smooth, so we've just blended that. This is going to make real creamy, fatty texture to the drink. So the next thing we're going to do now is actually pour all this out into a shaker, and we're going to shake it with ice. And then don't forget, pack as much ice in as possible. It's gonna give you more control over the dilution. Give it a little, and let's go. Woohoo-wee! Get some nice big martini glasses. Take your Hawthorne strainer. Usually we would fine strain, but because we were only shaking to chill, we're just gonna go straight into the drink. And to garnish it, I'm gonna use a little bit of lemon, just to add some extra aromatics to the top of the drink. We're just gonna, this is called zest and discard. Followed by, let's make this super 80s, and just get some cucumber slices on there. And there we have it, fresh avocado. I got it wrong, but you get the idea. Watch the meme. Oi! Now that smells like the abundance of green. Like a good green smoothie that's gonna be a little bit more fun. Let's get in there. Rich, creamy, smooth, green. Tastes like avocados. Who doesn't like avocados? It's avo on toast in a glass. Perfection. Wedge Avocado.